To pair your phone to your radio, select the phone icon, then select Yes. On your phone, you're going to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and under Other Devices, select Uconnect. Select Yes. Now your phone is successfully paired. Click OK. Now to download your contacts, you're going to click Add Favorite Contact. Now to navigation. You're going to select the nav icon, and when you click Where to, you're able to enter the address for your destination. You're able to appoint your favorites, find your point of interest, gas stations, rest areas, banks, and more. And restaurants close in the area. Now to find your exact location, click Nav again, View Map, and in Settings, you're able to change the view of the map. By clicking Nav Settings, you're able to change your speed limit, guidance, and map setup. By selecting map setups, you're able to view the map, change the map appearance, and much more. Under Map View, you're able to select 3D or 2D, and map appearance, you're able to change it from default to other themes. And just like the maps, you can customize your vehicle icon. If you have Sirius subscription, when you select the app icon, you can select the travel link icon to view your fuel prices, movie listings, and more. You can also view sports, scores, and schedules, headlines as well. And check on your favorite teams. You can also check your weather. Ooh, looks like it's going to be a nice week. You can also check on the Sirius traffic events. You'll be able to see any objects on the road. When you click Traffic Overview, you're able to see where that traffic may be. When you switch to media mode, you're able to select and change your media source. AM, FM, Sirius XM, or for more options, select Source Select. In your general settings, you're able to change the settings best to your preference. For example, in display, you're able to select your vehicle's theme. You can also adjust more safety settings, such as your mirrors and wipes, your lights, and much more. In your audio, you're able to find settings such as your equalizer, balance, and fade to adjust your audio sound to your preference. Also, in general settings, you'll find your Sirius information for when you're ready to set up your Sirius subscription.